Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to add an alpha channel. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, that I'd really appreciate it. So what it is essentially it adds actual transparency to your photo. So if I was to go ahead and upload this photo somewhere else and somebody were to, I don't know, put a photo behind it, then this would actually be transparent and you could see the photo behind it. But if I were to add an alpha channel, it would have its own, like its background would have its own weight, essentially. So if I were to right click this, I could remove the alpha channel. Then as you see, when I delete it, it kind of it has a background, right? But if I were to go ahead and right click it and add an alpha channel, now when I delete it, as you see, it's got that transparent sort of layer thing kind of going on. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.